What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA sides on this brand new Lexus RCF. Stay tuned. So first thing, I want to tell you a little bit about the new NIA sides. One, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. Two, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. Three, we offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine and might have some scratches, but they are perfect for wraps or the DIYers who know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer and is ready for paint. We also offer them painted, which means you can get them color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like a gloss black, satin black, matte black, and now the new F gray, which is similar to your front grille. And you can also get them in Hydro Dip, which is a method of applying carbon fiber print design to our kits and shot with a heavy coat of clear coat. Four, all our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy paste the same design to all the vehicles. Five, we design all our kits to use the factory bolts, pre-drill the holes, and include all the hardware for a smooth and easy installation. And lastly, all our front splitters are reinforced on the bottom, making them strong enough to withstand your common road rash, parking blocks, and daily road encounters. With the purchase of the NIA sides, you're going to receive all your support screws. For this installation, you're going to need a clip remover, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. First things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car, get rid of any road debris or any rocks that you might have stuck underneath. When doing the installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack up your car, always use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to be using the angle driver, and we're just going to creep up underneath the car. So first things first, we want to remove the factory splash guard that's underneath. This is when they get the clip remover, and you're going to remove the clips underneath. Now that the clips are removed, this is when you get the 10mm socket, and we're going to remove the bolt in between the wheel and the wheel well. Once the splash guard is removed, this is when we're going to put the factory bolts back in there to hold the liner in place. Now that the rear splash guard is removed, you're going to locate the clip that aligns with this tower on the splitter. It's located right underneath here. With the clip remover, we're just going to remove it. Now that the factory clips are removed, this is when we're going to start installing it. Use the same clip that you removed from the back, and we're going to use it to present it through the factory hole, and this time we're going to use it to hold up the side skirt. Now that the back clip is on, you're going to use the retainer clip that we provided to you, present it through the tower pre-drilled hole, and you're going to use it to hold up the side skirt, the factory mounting point. Now that the two clips are on, holding the kit in place, you're going to use the support screws, and you're going to self-tap through the pre-drilled holes into the side skirt. Make sure to only drill them halfway in, that way prevent from over-tightening and stripping the plastic bumper. Now that all the screws are in halfway, this is when you get the stubby screwdriver, and you're going to hand tighten them. By hand tightening, you prevent from over-tightening and stripping the plastic. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side, and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus RCF. If you have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to you guys. Thank you again.